Alright, well, I'm able to get some milk. Okay, Jane, this is for you. And don't panic about the elephants. I think they're fine. If they weren't fine, they wouldn't be standing there. So don't worry. My goodness. Alright, I'm going to hit archive and see what I can get. I'll be back. Okay. Let me check another one. Okay, I got some elephants. Oh my goodness. And I think they're just fine, so I'm going to get up close. This is all I can get with them here. That's all I see. Oh my gosh, I have not seen them this thick. This is worse than the last time. Okay, there we go. And then that's all I have, and we'll just take 1 minute. This is almost more than I want to handle. You know what I'm saying? This is about it. This is it. Alright. Come on now. Alright, there we go. There's the elephants. Okay, we're gonna go now. I've had about enough of this. I've got to try to sleep still. And I don't see any more. So. Okay, everyone. I'll stop at 3 minutes. Have a great night. God bless you all. Wow.